Hello, and welcome to the short video on a Kupo rail mount adapter for Super Convi Clamp and a Super Convi Clamp with rail mount adapter. The rail mount adapter is designed to attach the Arri PSU or power supply unit with a Super Convi Clamp. The rail mount adapter is a CNC machined anodized aluminum plate. It attaches easily to a Super Convi Clamp using the two supplied M5 screws. The versatility of the Super Convi Clamp allows you to mount to tubing or flat surfaces, such as this tabletop, with the aid of this included wedge. The Convi Clamp's jaws can hold anything between 1/4 inch and 2 inches thick. Let's mount our Arri PSU onto the riser of a C-stand. Mount the clamp by turning the handle clockwise until secure. Next, we'll attach the rail mount adapter to the clamp with the two M5 screws using a 4mm hex key. Lastly, slide the PSU on the rail adapter and tighten the knob until snug. The Super Convi Clamp with Arri PSU rail adapter comes pre-assembled and ready to use. A couple of these bad boys in your grip bag will allow you to quickly and easily mount an Arri PSU securely wherever you need it. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo, we like to say, never let go.